Today's video is all about how I make my raspberry lemonade waffle bath bombs. These are fairly easy to make and don't require a lot of skill or ingredients. As long as you have baking soda, citric acid, a carrier oil, and polysorbate 80, you're good to go. I used grapeseed oil in mine, but this oil can be substituted for a different one. I also used kaolin clay and cream of tartar in these to help make the bath bombs harder. But these are optional ingredients. If you do end up using these ingredients, just be sure not to use too much because they'll end up too heavy and they won't be able to float. As always, be sure to check the description box for the ingredients list. Start by adding your baking soda. After you've added your baking soda, get rid of all your clumps. You can use the sifter to make this part easier. Add your citric acid, cream of tartar, and kaolin clay. Once all the dry ingredients are combined, get rid of all the lumps. Add your carrier oil, polysorbate 80, and fragrance oil. Make sure to add it slowly so that the mixture doesn't pre-fizz. Start by using a whisk to mix everything together. Then use your hands to mix everything. Rub the mixture in between your hands to make sure all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Once you feel like everything is fully mixed, make a ball out of the mixture and drop it. If the ball breaks, then the mixture is too dry and you need to add more wet ingredients or rubbing alcohol. Split the mixture in half and add your mica powder. Be sure to rub the mixture in between your hands again to ensure all the color is fully incorporated. mixture into the waffle molds, making sure to pat down hard. Let them sit in the molds overnight to make sure they're fully dry. I melted some white goat's milk melt and pour soap and added purple mica powder to make the drizzle. While I'm adding the drizzle, I quickly add the embeds. Goat's milk melt and pour soap dries super quick, so it's important to move quickly during this part. If the melt and pour soap does harden, you can always pop it back in the microwave for a few seconds to remelt it. Here's the completed bath bombs. I love the way these turned out and they smell amazing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit my website linked in the description box.